Good morning and welcome to your Wallops Daily Operations Weather Briefing. This morning we've got beautiful weather and we're going to continue to see these nice conditions continue through the day today into the afternoon hours. We'll see mostly sunny skies for the most part, and those winds will be slightly breezy as we go into the afternoon, but not as windy as what we saw yesterday, probably about 10 miles per hour less compared to yesterday. Looking at our satellite radar composite, you see really nothing except for some false returns here on the radar this morning. Not expecting any precipitation, very little cloudiness in the area right now this morning as well. A little bit of low cumulus well off the Atlantic seaboard this morning that can be visible at times, but we are going to see, for the most part, mostly sunny skies throughout the day today. Looking at our current surface analysis, this area of high pressure will be starting to edge a little farther to the east, and will be centered over our area as we go through the next couple of days. That will dominate our weather and provide us with dry conditions, mostly sunny skies, and eventually some warming conditions as well as that high pressure slides east off the coast, and we see a switch in our wind direction out of a southwesterly direction as we go into the mid to later portion of this week. So we're going to see temperatures for the most part a little cooler than what we saw yesterday, maybe a degree or two cooler, but then as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, those temperatures will warm up pretty quickly, right around 70 degrees by the time Wednesday rolls around for our daytime high temperature. So this morning, currently, we are seeing just a little bit of cloudiness off the coast at around 2,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Those winds out of the northwest, very light this morning at 2 knots. Those clear skies and light winds allowed for those temperatures to really fall pretty quickly last night. We saw temperatures bottoming out in the mid 40s, 46 degrees currently here at Wallops with relative humidity at 76%. Taking a look at our next 24 hours, we're going to see mostly sunny skies continuing through the day today. High temperatures should warm to around 62 degrees, so that'll be a couple of degrees cooler than what we saw yesterday, but this is about normal for this time of year with that 62 degree high reading. Overnight tonight, we'll see winds very light out of the west-southwest at around 2 to 5 knots. We should see those temperatures falling into the mid-40s once again under mostly clear skies and seeing those light winds as well. And then by tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. we'll see the temperature right around 50 degrees, and we'll see the temperature rapidly rising throughout the morning hours on Wednesday. As we go through the afternoon, should see those temperatures pushing to around 70 degrees. 24-hour terminal forecast showing VFR conditions, no issues there with any kind of low cloudiness or reduced visibilities, and we're going to see no real hazards expected for the next 24 hours. Wednesday and Thursday, again, we're going to see warmer temperatures in store for us, partly cloudy and warmer conditions for Wednesday with a high of 69. If you're out trick-or-treating Wednesday evening, we're going to see mild conditions for this time of year, only getting down to a low of 57, but that will be during the overnight period after midnight. So trick-or-treat time, you're going to see temperatures probably remaining in the 60s, in the low 60s during the evening hours. So not a cold night for the trick-or-treating activities. And then for Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy and warm conditions with a high of 74 degrees. That'll wrap it up for your operations weather forecast. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.